morning, everybody. Been a long time since I made a video. Just came down this morning with Molly, and we're going to do some hiking in Dupont State Forest, hopefully to see several large and spectacular waterfalls. It is about 23 degrees, January. The high today is supposed to be in the 50s. Can't wait for that to happen. And this is a very popular park, but there's not a single soul here, so anyway, I'm sure that'll change as the day progresses. Anyway, here we go. Okay, we're right here. I think I'm going to go, since these are so popular, these falls, I'm going to do the most popular ones first, out to Hooker Falls and back, Triple Falls, High Falls. And I'm going to come back down here, go out to Grassy Creek Falls, and probably down to Bridal Vale. That's my plan anyway. We'll see how it goes. Before we get too far into this hike, I was just going to say, just for anybody interested in coming here, there is no camping at Dupont State Forest. None. There's campgrounds, there's no backcountry camping, no camping period. I'm not really sure why that would be, unless they're just trying to protect the area from overuse. But anyway, yes, I don't plan to come down here and do a backpack trip, because you can't. You can't. Can't get a good picture, a good video of the falls because all this rock in front of me is all icy and I can't walk over there to get a good picture, so that's a real drag. Maybe on the way back I can get one. Well, we just left Triple Falls, really pretty, and got good views of the whole thing. And now we're going to head out to Hooker Falls, and you can see this trail is broad, basically just like a gravel trail. All along the trail in this area, they have these really nice picnic pavilions. So if you're out here with your family, or if you just need to take a break or take some layers off or take shelter or whatever, these pavilions are really nice. So far, Molly and I have seen High Falls, Triple Falls, Hooker Falls, and they were all beautiful. Now we're going to head out to Grassy Creek Falls and see what that looks like. We've opted on instead of going back the way we came, taking the other half of the High Falls Loop Trail, which goes away from the river and just through the forest. It's quite nice. Just nice quiet forest. You can see a lot in the winter time. We are now headed out the covered bridge trail. That is actually the top of High Falls, so if you went beyond that, you would plunge down. That's the first waterfall we went to this morning, which I couldn't really get to because of the ice. This is a cool bridge, though. Okay, the road to the trail to Grassy Creek Falls is just a gravel road, as you see. It is closed to cars, so that's nice. Past a runner, another hiker, a bunch of bikers, and just see the entrance to the falls down here. So. Okay, we had to get off that gravel road, so I hopped up on the Three Lakes Trail, and I'm guessing that there'll be 3 lakes that we'll see, and we'll pop back out on the gravel road at some point and decide if we want to try to go to Bridal Falls or not. This Three Lakes Trail is super nice. Just a little wander in the woods, but it's really quiet and the trail is really nice. Glad I came this way. I'm assuming there'll be a lake here sometime. Oh, there's one now. What do you know? Let's have a look. Looks really shallow. Looks like there's a little tiny boat down there. Oh, it's a boat dock. There's some people walking. So we just got off the Three Lakes Trail, which was super nice, and I ran into this guy. I saw him a couple other times out here hiking, and he said definitely go see Bridal Falls, which I was debating about, but since he said I should go, then I'm going to go, because he said it was the best one of all of them, so we shall see. But that's where Molly and I are headed. I hear roaring now. Let's see what that is. Oh, little baby falls. Cute. Alrighty, we're almost to Bridal Falls, and I just passed a big horse barn and an arena, which were empty. It makes me wonder if in the summer they have horseback riding here. But I'll tell you one thing about this place. I guess since it's a state park, came in and took over, and they've made some new trails and they've closed some old trails. And buddy, let me tell you, when they close a trail, they don't mess around. A lot of times some places will just throw a couple sticks in front of it and be like, you can't go there. Nuh-uh, these guys make sure that you don't even want to try to go down that trail. And if they go up the trail and purposely cut trees down across it so that it's pretty much impassable, so. Pardon my crazy hair, hat hair. I had my toboggan on all day, so it's a little wonky. Anyway, we're getting close to being done with this hike. I think we'll probably be at like 11 or 12 miles for the day. It was super pretty. All the waterfalls were very spectacular. I don't know that I'll come back just because there's just too much gravel road. It's not really like hiking on a trail. The only actual trail was the Three Lakes trail. There's a lot of other stuff down here, but I feel pretty good that we hit all the major waterfalls. There's some other ones on the other side of the park. Wintergreen Falls. I don't know, there's a bunch of them over there. Anyway, if you have the opportunity to check out the history of this little state park, come down here and visit. If you're a cyclist, mountain biker, gravel bike, it's definitely worth checking out. Note to cyclists that e-bikes and pedal assist bikes are not allowed here. So you're going to have to prefer the old-fashioned way. Anyway, yeah, it was a really pretty hike. Beautiful day, and thanks for coming along.